Hello, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will show you our RTX 3060 Ti benchmark or stress test on full fan speed with first I'll show you full power and 200 megahertz overclock and with GPU Z. So we will see what's the stats. Okay, let's go with the test now. As you can see, the power which is drawing as 192 watts, and that's the clock speed, and that's the 1830 megahertz clock it's showing, and FPS. Since I have chosen 640 3060, so the FPS would be more than full HD resolution. So that's it for the stress test. GPU voltage. One thing I have noticed, if I do it with custom resolution and go, now the clock speed would go higher, and here as well 2160. Off camera I've already done one run, so it went up to 2175 megahertz. Okay, and let's just max. So that's it, and the you see voltage went up. Power consumption max. So to check your cooler performance, you have to set your fan speed to max 100%. So in order to test your cooler actual performance with 100% airflow, so if you would set the fan curve, the fans would spin slower, so the airflow would not be enough sufficient to make it cool. So as you can see, it's it's stagnant now at 49 degrees Celsius. So that's the performance. So if I just reset it, and so that's it. Okay, just turn this off, and now you can see the temperature is going back so quick, so fast to its normal again. So that shows the RTX 3060 Ti Asus stuff heatsink performance. Uh, it's quite big with 6 heat pipes, and it keeps your graphics card chip very cool under controlled temperatures. So that's and you can listen or hear the noise at 100% fan speed. As the CPU we are using here is 13600K, and I have undervolted it to point zero point 0.075 volt, so it stays cool as well. And the memory is 32 GB. Corsair Vengeance. uh, Here you can see what RGB lights on it. And if I just quickly show you hardware info stats, then you would be able to see the temperatures and max speeds. Those are the temperatures: current, minimum, maximum, average. So here it is. And right now it's consuming just 22 watts. And that's funny that power limit 1 and power limit 2, it's showing 4095 watts. That's crazy. Unbelievable power limit. And that's the Z790 plus Wi-Fi motherboard, and V core, it's showing me 1.1541163. And if we the Noctua NHD15 heatsink, it's on the custom settings, so it will spin up when the temperature will rise. So if we just here, okay, just first do the CPU Z test, then Prime 95. As you can see here, now the power it's taking right now is 124 watts here. So the temperature with highest core is 59. With this fan profile, if I set the fan speed 100%, that won't go up. Okay, so now that's it. Now with Prime 95, let's see. small FTT maximum heat 6871, and power maximum one reached up to 184, and I don't know why it just quits itself in the background. Now as you can see here, oh, the undervolt I did just crashed the computer. Okay, let's give it some more juice so it won't crash again. I'm making the video with my phone, so if I record it with the OBS, then it won't be possible to show you the BIOS settings. As you can see that actual VRM core voltage right now it's 1 point almost 2 volts, and the offset is you should keep it minus that. It will minus the voltage you will set from the actual voltage CPU core voltage offset. So before that I tried this and it did not crash. Let's try this. Also I'm using the enabled XMP profile, and the fan curve I'm using manual with this setting. So if I just make it full speed, the fans would go full speed. And let's save and exit. F10, press F10. This would show you what changes we have made. That this would save on the BIOS. Now the programs are loading in the background. And we have set the fan to maximum. Also we should this is the button for the case fans to spin at maximum speed. I've also pushed that as well. Okay, now let's see what it does with Prime 95. (72°C), 184 watts. Now it won't crash because it did not crash earlier when I set that voltage. I just wanted to keep it minimum, so that's the maximum it's reaching with Noctua HD 15, 186, and that's the weak, or it's showing here, and now it's again automatically shut off the program. I don't know why, but it's stable. Let's try one more time. Okay, let's just do for mark as well. Let's see what happens. With GPU sucking the power. Oh, let's see what happens. Okay, okay. Now both CPU GPU are sucking power from power supply, and as you can see here, and where are the power watts there? CPU GPU are under stress and nothing is happening. 186 watts, no problem. At stock it would take 200 watts. Okay, and the temperature, max core temperature is 77 degrees Celsius. Let's stop it, exit, and exit as well. So that's the stats, and this is it, and the video is already 17 minutes long now. I hope you would like the video, and let me know in the comments what's your temperatures with that CPU, and what's the combination of motherboard processor you are using, and RAM also. Have a good day or night. We will again meet in a next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.